Searching for the best night sights for your Glock feels like staring into a dark room with no flashlight. Every option looks the same: glowing dots, Tritium claims, tactical this and that. But when it's 2 a.m. and you need to identify your target fast, the real difference between these sights becomes terrifyingly clear. Let's cut through the noise. Product number 1, TruGlo Tritium Glock Sight. First up is the TruGlo Tritium handgun sight, a budget-friendly option that caught my eye because it's designed specifically for smaller Glocks like the 42 and 43. If you carry concealed and want reliable low-light visibility without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The front and rear both have Tritium centers with white daylight dots, so you get contrast during the day and a steady glow at night. The angled rear edge helps you get a clean sight picture fast, which matters when seconds count. It's also low profile, so it won't snag on your holster, something I've struggled with on bulkier sights. Over 500 people bought this in the past month, which says something about its popularity among everyday carriers. Now, some folks complained about the brightness fading faster than expected after a few years. Here's the thing though, Tritium has a natural lifespan, usually around 10-12 years. And while it does dim over time, it's still usable long after cheaper fiber optic alternatives die completely. Plus, the Fortress finish coating holds up well against sweat and weather. This is perfect for you if you want dependable night visibility on a compact carry gun and don't want to spend over $100. Skip this one if you need maximum brightness for competitive shooting or long-term duty use. But for EDC, solid choice. Product number 2, Trijicon Bright and Tough. Now, if TruGlo's limited model compatibility bothered you, the Trijicon GL201C600649 Bright and Tough Night Sight is a major upgrade, and it fits way more Glocks, from the 17 all the way to the 39. This is the gold standard many professionals swear by. The white front and rear with green Tritium lamps give you high contrast in daylight and a bright, consistent glow in total darkness. No batteries, no charging, just Swiss-made Tritium that's been trusted by military and law enforcement for decades. The metal construction feels rock solid, and at just under 2 ounces it doesn't add bulk. Over 300 sold last month shows serious demand. But here's the catch: installation isn't beginner-friendly. You really should get a gunsmith to install these. If you mess up the dovetail alignment, your zero goes out the window. Some users also noted the rear notch is narrow, 0.15 inch, which can slow down target acquisition if you're not used to it. Still, once dialed in, it's incredibly accurate. This is perfect for you if you carry a full-size or duty Glock and want pro-level reliability. Skip it if you're new to gun mods or hate paying for professional install. But if you treat your firearm like a tool, not a toy, this is worth every penny. Product number 3, AmeriGlo Trooper Series. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for Gen 5 Glock owners, the AmeriGlo Trooper Series. What stands out immediately is the front sight, green Tritium with an orange outline. That orange ring grabs your eye faster than plain white or black, especially in mixed lighting. The rear is serrated and subdued, which pushes your focus forward, exactly what you want under stress. It's inspired by US government contract sights, so you know it's built for real-world performance. At just 1 ounce and made for Gen 5 9 and .40 models, it's lightweight and precise. Over 100 bought recently suggests a growing fan base. Now the downside, the rear sight is all Tritium with no contrasting color, so in daylight it can blend together if you're not careful. Some shooters prefer a blacked-out rear for faster front sight focus, and this doesn't offer that. But honestly, the orange outlined front compensates big time. It's one of the fastest acquiring sights I've used. This is perfect for you if you own a Gen 5 Glock and want a balance of speed and low-light performance. Skip it if you strictly prefer traditional black rear sights or shoot mostly in bright conditions. Product number 4, TruGlo Tritium Pro MOS Low. Now, if you've got a Glock with an MOS cut or plan to mount a red dot later, the TruGlo Tritium Pro MOS Low version is a smart hybrid solution. It transitions from white dots in daylight to glowing green Tritium at night, no guessing, no switching. The front sight has that focus lock ring, which creates a bold circle around the dot, helping your eye lock on instantly. Machined from solid steel with a Fortress finish, it's tough enough for daily abuse. It fits a wide range of MOS-compatible Glocks from the 19 to the 45. Over 100 sold shows steady trust in this design, but be warned, the U-notch rear, while great for precision, can feel too open for some shooters used to narrower notches. A few users said it took practice to center the front dot properly. Still, once you adapt, it's incredibly fast and accurate. This is perfect for you if you want backup irons that co-witness with a red dot or just love having ultra-clear sight pictures in any light. Skip it if you don't have an MOS slide. You'll waste money on features you can't use. Product number 5, TruGlo Tritium Pro MOS High. Finally, if the low-profile MOS version felt too subtle, the TruGlo Tritium Pro MOS High gives you taller sights for even better visibility, especially if you're running a suppressor or tall optic. Same focus lock front ring, same Swiss tritium, same U-notch rear, but elevated for clearance. The angled rear edge lets you rack the slide one-handed in emergencies, which is a legit lifesaver in a fight. Assembled in the USA, it's built with pride and precision. Again, over 100 bought, this line clearly resonates. The flaw, height can be a double-edged sword. If you use a standard holster not designed for tall sights, you might get snagging or printing. Some users had to upgrade their holster setup, but if you're already running a red dot or suppressor, this is the natural pairing. This is perfect for you if you've modified your Glock for optics or suppressed fire and need irons that keep up. Skip it if you stick to stock configurations. You don't need the extra height. So which night sight wins? For compact carry guns, TruGlo's basic tritium set gets the job done. Trijicon dominates for full-size duty use. AmeriGlo's orange outline is genius for speed. And if you've got an MOS Glock, either TruGlo Pro version, low or high, is a no-brainer depending on your setup. Remember, the best sight isn't the shiniest, it's the one that works when you need it most.